This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Look at our little crows everywhere. And there's a little duck. Oh, Luca. Luca's in the grass here, waiting. Oh, birds waiting everywhere, including Seymour. Pigeons are lining up in their spot. Ducks are lining up. Look at that. They know to get the sunflower seeds there. We'll hand them out first. Put down the other food here. Yes. Tomorrow they're going to get a really good treat. Hi, babies. Hi, honey. That must be the new alpha male. Look at that. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. Hi, baby. Okay. Let's see. Do I have fishes here? I have some precious for you. There you go. Be careful. There's a lot of mean people around. It's 9 o'clock. I hear little sparrows. Why are they throwing crap here? Look at this. Don't do that. Don't do that by my birds. Sorry guys, I have to put it all down. Okay, there you go. There we go. By the way, these are organic. Sunflowers are heavily sprayed, and you should get organic sunflower seeds for yourself and for the birds. If their Charlie was here, he would have jumped in this bag already. Okay. Let's get down to the big job here. Seymour is waiting. That's a mule gull behind us. The little ducks here, waiting. Got a mule gull waiting here. Got a few little ducks. Got a pigeon here. Oh my God, these little babies. Hi, honeys. Yeah, let's put this down. Put a little nuts down here. Put them right over here. Everybody knows the routine. Look how tame this little mule gull's getting. Hey guys. Hey guys. Oh, we got 2 of them. Oh, he picked a little duck. There we go. It's down. Not much cat food. Millie just continues to eat nothing. Okay. You can't eat those. You can't eat those, honey. Let's put this out. Let's put this away here, over here, so I have no pockets in this shirt. Okay, there we go. Everybody's making a little fight here. I would think that that's Seymour, but he doesn't have a band on him. How can that be Seymour? Unless they took it off. Oh, there's Seymour. There's Seymour going after the other gulls. Okay. That's our Seymour. Seymour's the one with the band. There we go. Another nasty person. Must be a Migros employee. Definitely employee of the shopping center. Okay, we'll make our way here, away from the birds, so they can get what they need. That's the Seymour, the gull that goes after everybody at Seymour. Whoa, we got a little gull fight here. Got a little gull fight. There we go. That was not nice. But it's the way it is. Get in there, guys. Got lots of eggs in there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 silver gulls. Looks like 2 mule gulls. And we're staying to about that, aren't we? Okay. Let's see if I have any more cashews left. Let's see if I got any more cashews. Not many, just a couple. In a little hurry. I need to pick someone up, take them shopping today. They don't have a car, so I take them shopping once in a while to buy heavy things. And so, very, very dear friend of mine. And I need to get going, so I'll be a few minutes late as it is. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. I want to wish you a great Thursday. Stay safe. Love your birds, and fight the good fight. And here Jeremy's here, and look, Jeremy's coming in. Wow, that gull had to move out of the way. He says, that's not so great there. He's after an egg. Jeremy's after the egg. There isn't too much egg left. Poor Jeremy. Tomorrow I'll have some chicken in there for Jeremy. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. People are a little bit ugly today. Even though Georg Schmidt, bird killer, is not here today, there are plenty others to take his place. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. Over now.